Hey guys, G Smith here. I've got a really bad sinus infection, and I feel like hot garbage. So today we are going to be asynchronous. So there will not be a Blackboard Collaborate session to sign into, but I'm going to take a minute. I'm going to walk you through what it is you need to do in Schoology, so that you don't fall behind. As always, email me anytime. You can message me in Schoology. Email works a little bit better just because I can respond to you directly as opposed to having to get into Schoology to get back to you. Anyway, so let's go to your class, sixth period. Hi, everybody. I have created a Beowulf folder. Let me move it all the way. Let me move it all the way. Come on, Schoology. How about brother at? I'm going to move it all the way up to the top, very first thing. So click in the Beowulf folder, and you need to open up copy of reading, open it in a new tab so that you have it in a new tab. That's the actual reading assignment. You're going to read 2 pages of introduction. It's got some background material on Beowulf and epic poetry, and those are the questions number 1, number 2, and number 8. Number 8 asks what a kenning is, and it's in there, it's just kind of buried. So open the link in the new tab, and that's your reading. Your actual assignment is the section 1 reading. So you click on the section 1 reading, and it tells you what it is you need to do. You need to, exactly what I'm telling you right now, you need to read the intro section and lines 1 through 227. It's about 3 pages, about Beowulf. And it just gives you kind of the introduction to what is going on in the story. There's this terrible, horrible monster named Grendel who shows up at the castle, and he eats people. And the Danes, they don't know what to do. They're a bunch of chickens. They don't fight back. So Beowulf finds out about it, and he decides he's going to go help his Danish brothers. So he sets sail to go help them. Click the link for section 1 reading questions. It will force you to make a copy. Remember, you need to name your Google Doc just like what we've been doing, with the period number, your name, and then what the assignment is, and then share that with me. Make sure you share it with me. It will be an assignment in Schoology, so you can submit it in Schoology when you're done. It is due Tuesday at 11:59 p.m., so you've got plenty of time to work on it. Like I said, it's really, the grand total, I think, is maybe 6 pages of reading, and it's 8 questions that you can answer, boom, 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 one right after the other. So if you have any questions, shoot me an email. I'm happy to help out. I'm really sorry I'm not feeling well. I promise on Wednesday when I see you guys, I'll be feeling a lot better. I'm gonna get an antibiotic and get over this stupid sinus infection. I guess that's it. Let me know if you need any help. Email me. Thanks, guys. Have a good weekend.